Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.